It's really haven't been no upgrades to the system yet because I have car payments and bills to worry about now ever since I graduated college and bought this car. But anyways, I found out an easy way to clamp, zero gauge terminals on. I use bolt cutters. It's gonna be kind of hard to do it one hand. Shit. Let me check this over here. All right, there it goes. All right, come in here. And squeeze. At first I thought it was gonna cut through the terminal and the wire, but no, it's not. Putting much pressure on it, it's not gonna cut through. And see there? Not coming off. And to make sure it's not coming off, you can do another one. Not coming off. But yeah, that's a simple, easy way I use to turn my on. I also use bolt cutters to cut zero gauge too. Got a little couple of screws in there, but let's take a little knife and there you go.